last part we have to make is the axle itself. Now the axle is a normal part, so we start here, we drop this down, standard millimeter.ipt, exactly the same, and press okie dokie. You'll notice it started with a new sketch. I've got my sketch tools at the top ready to go. Now my axle is going to be a circle. In fact, it's a cylinder with two different sizes on the cylinder, and it's got two threads at either end, but it starts with a circle. Now I'm going to do this slightly differently to what I've done before. I'm going to press F6 now to give me an isometric view. I will still start it from 0, 0. I will still pull a circle out, but you can see it's a circle in isometric. So here I'm going to dimension that circle. The first part is 8mm diameter because it's an M8 thread. I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude this. One profile, so it's already picked it for me, and that's going to come up 25mm, the same width as the wheel. Now I need to draw another circle here for the main body of the axle. So I'm going to have to create a sketch on this surface. See, it's put a little dot there in the center. I can grab another circle from the center and drag that out. Going to dimension that. I'm going to make this axle 10mm diameter because I am. Now things are going to change. I'm going to press finish sketch. When I extrude this time it did not automatically pick the profile, because as far as it's concerned there's one circle here and there's another circle here. So what we need to do actually is we have to say we want to do something with this profile and this profile. So then we've told the computer that it's actually one solid thing. That's all good. We're going to make this 52mm wide. Something happened there, not sure what. 52mm wide, and press the tick. Alright. So we've got the bit on the end, we've got the main axle that goes through the body of the truck, and now I'm going to put another bit on this end with some more thread on it. That's going to allow the wheels to screw on both sides of the axles. Here we go. Create a sketch on this surface. Grab a circle, let it snap to the center, draw that circle. I'm going to dimension that circle. I know I'm going fast, sorry. Click there and drag out. Now that was an M8, so we're just going to go 8 at the moment and go yes. There it is. Finish the sketch, same process every time. Extrude it. Extrude that circle. How far? Well, that was 25mm wide. So 25, press the tick. There I have my axle set up. Now last time with the wheel we put a thread in by using hole, but you can't do that this time. So you actually need to use this thread tool here. So I'm going to go thread, and it asks me this face that I'm going to have the thread on, so I'm going to click on that face. Now if I go into specifications, it's already popped up M8. Now it did that because we made that shaft an 8mm size. So it's already picked up the M8 from the actual shaft size. The only thing you may wish to change is the pitch. Now we made it M8 by 1.25, so that's the correct size anyway. Apply it. Beautiful. Let's go again. This face here, and it's already done it. So I can apply that, and that axle is now created. Press save. Now I have made all the parts.